Alright everybody, here we are, the moment you've been waiting for, Magazine Cover Project Student Challenge. So I've got two sections here and I'm going to walk you through it. For the basics, for people that want to do just the basics of your magazine cover, here's what I'm looking for. So like we mentioned before, the theme is either a personal hobby or interest. You want to have a nice large title at the top here. You want to have a photo background, so something that covers the span of your magazine cover. You want to use at least 2 article titles and some subtext, so you'll have a big title for an article and then something underneath it that explains what the article is about. So at least 2 of those. You want to use at least 1 basic shape. So somewhere on here I want you to add either circle or square, a triangle, a plus, something just a really basic shape. And then lastly, I want to have some kind of color scheme. So if your magazine is predominantly red and green, black and white, try to stick to some type of color scheme. Now if you want to take it a little bit further, we've got some stuff here for the overachievers. I want you to add maybe a couple additional articles. I want you to use 1 or 2 custom shapes. So something, you can use some basic shapes, but I want you to also add in something customized, something that you had to go in and manipulate somehow, whether it's a Boolean operation or what have you, something that you drew out. After that, let's see, you want to get creative with colors and or text sizing. So with your article titles, switch it up and don't use the same size font throughout your magazine. Get creative and use something a little bit bigger, use different colors, add in and mix it up a little bit. Next, you can include a barcode. That's something that you can see underneath this overlay here. You can add a barcode to the bottom right, make it look a little bit more legit. And lastly, you can include anything else that you think would spice up your magazine cover design. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Like I said before, be sure to share this with the group either on Facebook or within the Q&A section of the course. Would love to see this on the Facebook group so we can all give some feedback, and I'll give you a chance to see what other people are designing as well. Alright, so good luck. If you have any questions, shoot them my way. Otherwise, I'll be looking forward to what you guys create. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next section.